Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making a delicious side dish, and it's super easy. What are we making? We're making grilled potato slices. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have some russet potatoes. We have some olive oil, extra virgin. We have some sea salt. This is pink sea salt. We have chicken broth. We have sugar, dry rosemary, and black pepper. We have a pot here, and we're going to get our chicken broth in the pot, and we're going to turn that to high. Now we're going to also add in our sugar, and don't worry guys, it will not make your potatoes sweet. We're going to get our rosemary in there. We give this a little stir up. And we're just going to bring this to a boil. And while we wait for that to come to a boil, we're going to work on our potatoes. Okay, we have a wide pillar. A friend of mine in culinary school way back in the day gave me this, and I still have it years later. Dude, you're the best. Now we're just going to peel these potatoes. You don't have to peel the potatoes. Just like you don't have to use the sugar. It's up to you. It's totally optional. We're just going to get in here and peel these guys. Now these potatoes were washed, but I prefer the skin off. We have the potatoes all nice and peeled. Next thing we're going to do is slice these potatoes into 1/2 inch slices. Now that our water is boiling, we're going to get our potatoes into the boiling water. Be careful, you don't want that boiling water splashing up on you. And we're going to let these cook for 20 minutes. But what we want to do is we want to reduce the heat. But what we want to do is bring this back up to a boil. Once we toss those potato boys in there, it brings down the temperature. So we want it to start boiling again. Then we're going to reduce the heat to low and let it go for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to go in here and remove these potatoes. Trying not to break them up too much. And we're going to let them cool completely before we move to the next step. They're basically done. A little more olive oil. And I just love these silicone brushes. They're easy to clean. They work really well. These on here. And since this is an indoor grill, I'm going to put the rest of the olive oil on the other side on here. And for these, I like to put the pepper on right when I remove them. Just a touch of black pepper. Beautiful. You'll find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. And at this point, I'm going to sprinkle a little sea salt. This is entirely to taste, and you can, of course, use regular salt. Come on now. And some black pepper. But I'm only going to put a little bit on here. And again, to taste. So here's a recap, guys. We took some potatoes, some olive oil, some sea salt, some rosemary, some chicken broth, a little black pepper, and we made these beautiful grilled potatoes. They're delicious. Hope you like them. Guys, hit that notification button so you don't miss anything. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.